Good morning, class 2. This is me, Nitish, your GK teacher from Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. And today I am going to start the first lecture video of chapter number 13. And the name of the topic is Neighboring Countries of India for class 2. A student, as we all know that we have different neighbors around our homes. We have different neighbors of our state. We have different neighbors of our district. We have a different neighbors of our even country India where we are living. So in the same way, our country India has lots of neighbor in its different direction, either north south or east west, either intermediary direction, northern eastern, northern western, southern western, southern eastern. So now let's see how many countries are neighboring countries in our different directions. Every country shares its border with other countries around it. In the same way, our countries also share its boundary with some other country. They are called neighboring country. So the first one is Pakistan. Pakistan is a country which is almost shares its boundary or border with the northern western part of India. Whereas Sri Lanka is concerned, it is also share its boundary with southern part of India. And when we talk about Nepal is a country which share its boundary with India and the state Bihar and UP and some part of Bengal and Sikkim. Nepal shares its boundary with our country India by the border of Bihar, northern part of Bihar, northern part of Uttar Pradesh, some part of West Bengal, northern part of West Bengal and Sikkim. Now talk about China. China is also sharing its boundary with northern part of India. Myanmar is sharing its boundary with the eastern part of India. Bhutan share its boundary with the northern eastern part of India. After Nepal, Bangladesh is also sharing its boundary with the eastern part of our country India. Afghanistan is the back portion or some part or associating or connecting its boundary with the northern western part of India. As far as Maldives is concerned, it is also connected with a sea route and southern part of India. So in this way, different country has its own position and own direction associated with our country. Some of them are north, some are of south, some are associated with the east west or intermediary direction. So in this way, you learn the different direction has its own neighbor of our country. All country here we are talking about 9 countries, 9 neighboring countries of our India, and they all are in different direction. So here we have a map of India and some digits are represented here to point out the name of that country, so you can do it easily by getting help from the previous pages. So in this way, I hope you enjoyed the video and learn many more things. So okay, thanks for watching and bye bye.